Hello student, my today's topic is ultrastructure of the chloroplast. Chloroplast, it is a green plastid. It is present in the plant cell. It is again a semi-autonomous organelle as it contains DNA like mitochondria. Here we will see the structure of this chloroplast. It is membrane bound organelle. Here it is covered by outer membrane. This is the outer membrane. This is the inner membrane. This outer and inner membrane together called as peristomium. Then inner membrane consists of space and it is filled by stroma. This stroma, it contains various enzymes for dark reaction, that is Calvin cycle, which converts CO2 into the carbohydrate. You know the function of chloroplast, that is photosynthesis, dark reaction or reduction of CO2 to the carbohydrate. It occurs in this stroma. Then it consists grana. These are grana, singular granum. Each granum consists number of thylakoids which are arranged like a stack of coin. If we place one coin above the another, then that structure, it is similar to that granum. Granum made up of thylakoid which are the membranous sac, and each thylakoid consists number of spear-shaped quantazome, and this quantazome consists pigment molecule. Remember, granum, each granum consists number of thylakoids placed one above the other like a stack of coin. Then each thylakoid consists this spear-shaped quantazome, and each quantazome, this one is single one, and each quantazome consists number of pigment molecule. Here in this granum, light reaction occur, means conversion of light energy into the chemical energy. Here it occurs. Granum is a site of light reaction, while the stroma, it is a site of dark reaction. These are the two reactions of photosynthesis. These grana, they are connected by this stroma lamellae, which are also known as intergranal lamellae, or they are also known as fret membrane. Three terms are there: stroma lamellae, or intergranal lamellae, or fret membrane. Similar to the mitochondria, chloroplast also consists ribosome. Here in chloroplast as well as mitochondria, 70S type of ribosomes are present. Which ribosome? 70S type of ribosomes are present. Similar to the mitochondria, it also contains DNA, which is circular. And this circular DNA, it is called as plastidome. Circular DNA is called as plastidome. Again we revise. Ultrastructure of chloroplast. It is covered by two membranes, outer and inner. These two membranes together called as peristomium. Then in inner membrane, the space enclosed by inner membrane, it is filled by stroma, which contain different enzymes required for dark reaction. Then this stroma, it consists grana, number of grana, connected by stroma lamellae. Grana connected by stroma lamellae. Then contain ribosome. Then circular DNA, it is called as plastidome. Each granum, it is made up of thylakoid. Thylakoid contain quantazome, and this quantazome contain pigment molecule. Then function of chloroplast. The main function is the photosynthesis. Two reaction of photosynthesis. First is the light reaction. It occurs in the granum part, in which light energy is converted into chemical energy, or with the help of light, ATP molecules are synthesized. This light reaction occurs in the granum. And second part, dark reaction, that is CO2, it gets reduced to carbohydrate. That dark reaction occurs in the stoma, as the stoma contain enzyme for dark reaction. And function of the stoma lamella, they fix the atmospheric CO2, which is necessary for the fixation of, which is necessary for the formation of glucose or formation of food. Thus, this organelle provide food to all organisms on the earth. As you know, the photosynthesis, it is the process of synthesis of food from simple substances like CO2, water, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll or pigment. This chloroplast, it is the green plastid which present in the all plant. Thank you guys.